Deme&Issa, and today we're gonna open the Poopsie Surprise Unicorn. My name is Deme&Issa, and today we're gonna open the Poopsie Surprise Unicorn. And it's really big. I can't wait to open it because it is like really jumbo and heavy. You can see all those characters at the front or those unicorns sticking out on the rainbow. So yeah, so let's get started with opening the Unicorn Poopsie Surprise.
Yes! So guys, first step we have to open the plastic. Like below. Below? Oh, somebody opened it. Me. Let me get my scissors now. Okay, I just get my scissors and we roll it up. So guys, this is really heavy and the plastic's so big. Okay, we open the top. Now, what we're supposed to do is just tear this out. Don't remove the plastic. And get this. Oh, how to open it? Yeah. Don't remove the plastic. Yeah? Oh, don't remove. Do you need to remove the plastic? Yeah, there's a surprise. Yeah, because you have to crack it out. No! See? What do you say? Look, there's all the unicorn foods here, and it's really nice. I don't know what are they. Me too. So thank you. These are the food that will make the slimes. Yep. See that? The bottle! The bottle! Did the bottle! I threw the bottle.
Can you count how many is it?
Can you count it?
Okay. You show?
Can you count how many they are, Issa? Okay, sure. Well, I will open it. One, look. Guys, look at the unicorn sticking. 5, 6, 7,
Okay.
7. 8 to crack the unicorn. It's 8.
It's 8.
I'm the one who's gonna crack the unicorn. Stand back because there's a tape.
Be careful with the scissors.
Wait, there's a tape here. Oh, I just get it, and now let's try
Issa,
to open it.
Come, you show to mommy.
Ooh.
Show what's inside. What does it look like?
Guys,
Show.
we got this.
Okay, Issa, that means show.
So guys, here's the unicorn as hair, and she have golden unicorn, golden horn.
I find the chain.
Ooh, there's a keychain. Let us open the bags later, Issa.
You open
Okay,
it.
sure.
Oh my
Oops.
god.
You can put your slime inside.
It's nothing! But it's so cute though.
Can I see? You
Look at that. It's so cute. It doesn't feel like the bottle though. So guys, here's the spoon to feed the unicorn like this. Very nice. Look at this.
show.
It's a
Go
unicorn.
Closer.
It's a unicorn spoon. Look at that. Very pretty. Let me get out the other.
Unicorn food!
This is Oopsie Starlight, by the way.
Unicorn food!
It's so hard to get anything out of here.
Careful with the hair.
Here's the toy!
What?
Hey!
It's okay, let you.
Don't open it yet.
Issa, show closer. Show. Can you see?
Is that supposed to
get
go in the unicorn?
So many surprises, guys.
Pass it to me.
guys.
That one is for this.
Oh. So guys, here's the unicorn. That.
There's one more.
Rainbow.
Ooh, look.
One more
guys,
to go.
Angry face. Let me open it.
Okay.
The cup.
Here's the unicorn. She's so cute with rainbow hairs, and I love her eyes.
Here's a chair
Super
to put
glittery.
to poop
And she
up.
got rainbow horns too.
This is for the food. For the food. And this is for the slime. To poop on. Sit down.
That's the poo-poo.
Yeah. You can sit down. What is this button? No, not. Now, there's a thing here, mommy. Now you can pop the slime out. See? So guys.
Look at that. They have stars.
Unicorn shimmer. Unicorn shimmer. Unicorn magic. And the rest are unicorn shimmer. See, the rest are unicorn shimmer.
No, this only need glitter to this one. You need water. Yes, I need glitter. I'm gonna feed her.
Now is the time to feed our baby unicorn. So, our first step is to put shimmer glitter, but we already put in there. So now we have shimmer. It's there. I give it to my mommy. There it is. So now we have to get out the shirt, move the shirt, and turn this to feeding, because you see this rocking thing, right? There's a rocking baby and there's a feeding one. You twist it and then you turn. See, it's like that already. See, it's already to feeding.
Okay.
So now,
It's not. What's on the feeding?
okay, now it's on the feeding.
Why we
Here
cannot
it is.
feed? No.
Here's the feeding.
Okay.
Now, to feed the baby the whole thing. So, I'm gonna hold the baby and my sister's gonna feed. So, here's the spoon I just showed you just now.
And I'm gonna feed it. Can I feed it now?
Okay. And then,
Issa, come.
okay, here's the baby. Her name is Poopsie Shimmer.
Oh, no. Oopsie starlight.
Oh yeah, Oopsie Starlight. I just made it wrong. Can you feed it now?
Okay.
We're gonna take turns to feed. I'm gonna do the bottom. Be careful.
Fully full.
You have to feed it all.
Okay. I know.
It's my turn.
Oh.
Hold the baby. Ah, little baby. It's so less.
Is that how you feed the baby?
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Flip it over.
Put all inside. Yes.
Is that all? Oh.
My turn.
Okay.
There's
We're
more.
gonna take turns by one feed. Okay. Eat it, little baby. Why did I take off his shirt though?
Put it back.
No.
what?
So now we're gonna pour some water to 5 ml. So like this line over here, it's 5, so it's 5 ml. So we got the water on this cup. We just have to pour it in the line. Ooh, that's too much. Pour back some. Is that fine? No. No. Okay, now I just have to pour it in this cup. Now we're gonna feed the water. We're gonna use the spoon. I'm gonna go first this time. Okay, Issa, may you hold this baby for me?
After that, me, huh?
Oh, sure. So let me scoop some water. Guys, after we feed it, now we turn at the back. We get out the shirt.
Put it rocking.
We get out the shirt. Get it out for me.
And get it.
Can you go wash the shirt for me?
No.
Yes. We put it into rocking. You plus this, and then
Rocking my thumb.
Okay, you rock.
you
one.
plus this, and
Okay.
then you turn
It's like-
it, and then it's
It's like this, mommy.
Yeah. Okay,
After
turn
that,
right.
we take out the
Ow,
diaper.
rocking.
Just slowly. It's so hard to. after it, the diapers off.
You rock the baby now.
Now
I
we
should
shake
rock it.
Rock it. Well, I'll go wash the shirt and the panties.
Okay, then. Okay, that's enough. You'll have to sit down, Issa.
Okay, the shirt is all clean. Let it poop.
Okay.
Okay. Don't wear the shirt yet.
Yeah.
Okay.
In-
Let's sit.
Okay.
Let's sit.
Let's sit.
Time for poop.
Show to here.
So guys, you have to press this heart button. So,
Okay, press.
well, let me wash the cup.
Is it pooping? Is she pooping?
No.
Okay, press the button.